Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all our viewers who are looking for a delicious and healthy breakfast option, specifically tailored for diabetic patients. We believe that living with diabetes shouldn't mean compromising on taste, so we have prepared a mouth-watering breakfast recipe that is both diabetic-friendly and incredibly delicious. Let's get started. For today's breakfast, we'll be making a hearty and wholesome veggie omelette with a side of whole wheat toast. This nutritious combination is packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins, perfect to kickstart your day. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. For the veggie omelette, we'll need 2 eggs, a handful of spinach, diced bell peppers, chopped onions, and some grated low-fat cheese. As for the whole wheat toast, you'll need a slice of whole wheat bread and a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray. Step 2. Whisk the eggs until they are well combined. This helps to incorporate air and create a fluffy texture for our omelette. Step 3. Add the spinach, bell peppers, and onions to the bowl. These colorful vegetables not only provide great flavor but also offer an abundance of essential nutrients. Step 4. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and coat it lightly with cooking spray or a small amount of olive oil. Pour in the egg and vegetable mixture, spreading it evenly across the pan. Step 5. Let the omelette cook for a few minutes until the edges start to set. You can gently lift the edges with a spatula to check. Step 6. Once the edges are set, carefully flip the omelette using a spatula. This ensures that both sides are cooked to perfection. While the omelette finishes cooking, let's move on to our whole wheat toast. Simply place a slice of whole wheat bread in a toaster or pop it in the oven until it turns golden and crispy. Step 7. Once the omelette is cooked through, gently slide it onto a plate. Feel free to sprinkle some grated low-fat cheese on top for that extra touch of flavor. And there you have it, a delightful and diabetic-friendly breakfast. Serve the veggie omelette alongside the whole wheat toast, and you're ready to enjoy a nutritious meal that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Absolutely delicious. The combination of fresh veggies and fluffy eggs creates a wonderful harmony of flavors, and the whole wheat toast adds a satisfying crunch. This breakfast not only keeps you full and energized, but also supports your overall well-being. Thank you all for joining me today and exploring this wholesome breakfast recipe for diabetic patients. Remember, living with diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing taste. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious and nutritious meals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetic-friendly recipes and helpful tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.